You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this grape variety, originally from France, also known as Picpoul or Grape. Has different synonyms. If you want to learn more wine names from French, make sure to stay tuned. I'll link to many more confusing ones at the end of the video. French pronunciation here is as Folle Blanche. Folle means mad or crazy. I guess because it kind of produces a lot of grapes, so it's a bit crazy. It gets a bit crazy. And Blanche means white, because it's a white grape. Folle Blanche. Folle Blanche. Folle Blanche. The French pronunciation. In English you can say it as Folle Blanche. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.